Hey guys, so Alibaba's cloud growth is actually outpacing Microsoft and Amazon. So I think Amazon and Microsoft did like a 29% increase year over year, and then I think Microsoft did like a 30-ish increase year over year. Alibaba did a 60% increase year over year for their cloud growth. But please take note that this is all in China, and their cloud growth is a substantially small part of their business. So, if a lot of people are getting like putting this news out there like, oh, Alibaba did something great, but you know, Amazon and Microsoft are dealing with billions of dollars, right? So they're growing on billions, and Alibaba isn't doing the same. So if Alibaba grows from $1,000 to $2,000, that's 100% gain. But obviously, it's easier because their net or their gross on this is much smaller than Amazon and Microsoft's that are dealing with billions of dollars in growth. Year over year, right? So I do think Alibaba has a good chance of being a big competitor in China for its cloud platform. But as far as being a competitor in the U.S., 100% no. Like I don't think that their growth will kind of supersede or kind of overpass to the U.S. And I don't think any presidents would actually allow U.S. companies to use cloud based tech from China. And I think Amazon and Microsoft are still going to be the top competitors 100%. Maybe Google does not, Google obviously doesn't rival Amazon or Microsoft when it comes to their cloud software tech, whatever you want to call it, right? But yeah, Alibaba is growing, but it's gonna stay in China. Their growth is still small. So if you guys hear like, oh, Alibaba did 60% year over year growth or 100%, it's just because their sales numbers are much lower. It's really easy to go from $1 to $1, and it's a lot harder to go from $20 billion to $40 billion, right? So if Alibaba's doing like going from $1 to $2, where Amazon and Microsoft are dealing with billions. So just kind of putting that out there. If you guys hear news of Alibaba growing so fast.